The ABC Learning Lane, where learning is fun.
Ant. Let's spell the word ant. A N T Ant. Bus. Let's spell the word bus. B U S Bus. Cat. Let's spell the word cat. C A T Cat. Toy. Let's spell the word toy. T O Y Toy. Dog. Let's spell the word dog. D O G Dog. Fan. Let's spell the word fan. F A N Fan. Pig. Let's spell the word pig. P I G Pig. Bed. Let's spell the word bed. B E D Bed. Fox. Let's spell the word fox. F O X Fox. Sun. Let's spell the word sun. S U N Sun. Cow. Let's spell the word cow. C O W Cow. Pen. Let's spell the word pen. P E N Pen. net. Let's spell the word net. N E T net. Car. Let's spell the word car. C A R car. Hat. Let's spell the word hat. H A T hat. Great job, everyone! You've just learned how to spell lots of new words today. That's amazing! Keep practicing your spelling skills, and soon you'll be spelling like a pro. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a lesson. See you next time!